In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate fuel cost for Uber Australia 2025, step by step. If you drive rideshare in Australia, knowing your fuel costs before you hit the road helps you price trips accurately and plan your day with confidence. We'll use a simple route planning calculator to get a clear estimate, and I'll explain what each input means so you can trust the number you see. Start by opening your preferred online route planning tool or calculator. Any reliable option works. Choose one that lets you enter a start, a destination, and advanced fuel settings. Many drivers use tools that are designed for rideshare planning, but a general route calculator with fuel fields is perfectly fine. Next, enter your starting location in the start field. Be specific and include the state or territory abbreviation so the tool can lock onto the right place. For example, type Sydney, New South dollars rather than just Sydney. Now add your destination in the destination field. Again, include the state to avoid confusion. For example, Gold Coast QLD. As soon as both points are in, the map will generate a route. The tool will calculate the shortest or recommended distance in kilometers. Note this distance because it drives the rest of the calculation. Make sure the unit is kilometers, not miles. If you see an option to switch units, set it to km to match Australian road measurements. Open the advanced options or settings to enter your vehicle's fuel consumption. This is often labeled fuel consumption or efficiency and should be in liters per 100 kilometers. A common figure for modern petrol cars is around 8L 100 kilomos. But check your car's dash readout or owner's manual for the most accurate number. If your car shows a different unit, look for a unit toggle in the tool rather than converting it by hand. Enter the current fuel price per liter in Australian dollars. Use the grade you actually buy, such as E10, 91, 95, or diesel since prices vary. You can take this number from your local servo's price board or your preferred fuel app. With your start and destination set, your distance confirmed, your fuel consumption entered, and your per liter price in place, run the calculation. The tool will instantly display the total fuel cost for that route. Behind the scenes, it's multiplying your distance by your L100 kilometer figure to get total liters used, then multiplying by the price per liter. For example, 853 kilometers at 8L 100 kilometer uses about 68.24 liters. At 2 of 14 per liter, that's roughly $146. Use this result to budget trips, compare routes, and decide whether a longer route with less traffic might be more cost effective. And remember to update the fuel price and your consumption figure periodically to keep your estimates accurate.